Hey y'all, I'm Jamielenear. Just call me Jamie. Welcome back to another video. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. So y'all, your girl just got through getting done with a $25 YouTube course from a big time, I want to say big time content creator on YouTube. And of course, I'm going to pop her up on the screen. For the ones that watch her, I learned about her from one of my subscribers, and this was just maybe a couple of days ago. One of my subscribers recommended that I take her course, and the course is $25. And I'm the type of person, look here, I'm going to try everything at least once, because like I told y'all, I'm trying to grow this platform over here. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and your girl trying to do what she got to do. But not only that, trying to grow on the other two platforms like TikTok and Instagram as well. So y'all, I signed up for the course, which was, like I said, $25. The course was tonight from 7 to 9. And y'all, what I can say, and this is not going to be a long, I'm going to try to make this video not so long and drawn out. What I can say, y'all, is just Jasmine Graves, she knows what the hell she talking about. When I say she know what the hell she talking about, she knows what the hell she's talking about. She been doing this a long time, all right? And she gives a lot of informative information. And when I say you gonna get your $25 worth, you gonna get your money's worth when it comes to taking that course. When I sit back and look at some of the things when I'm doing my content, and I'm like, I could probably change that. I think I've been doing that wrong. Especially, maybe I can give out one tip, maybe when it comes to hashtags. And this is a YouTube, this is not necessarily, this is one of the things that she mentioned, but one of the things YouTube has mentioned as well, saying when it comes to hashtags, is YouTube is saying maybe hashtags is really not all that important. But when she got on the point of hashtags, and she was saying that don't use hashtags because of the simple fact that hashtags can confuse the audience when it comes to using hashtags. And I done got so accustomed to using hashtags, I feel like if I don't use hashtags, I feel like handicapped. So that's going to be struggle that I'm going to have to get accustomed to not using hashtags. But I do see some of my other co-workers who really, like, they don't use hashtags at all when it comes to uploading their content. Because when I say I watch it, I don't see none of my other co-workers who I watch use hashtags. They don't use hashtags, or they don't use video tags. So that's going to really be like a shift for me when it comes to, doing everything or doing my part on my end. But I will tell you, I feel like her course is well worth the $25. I would advise anybody, but like I said, I would advise anybody to take the course. If you want to take a course and invest in something, take her $25 course. It won't hurt to invest in yourself, to improve yourself. Like I always tell you, I'll take anything at least once if I feel like it's worth it. If I feel like it's going to be beneficial for me to take the course. If I feel like you've been doing this like a long time, and you know what you've been talking about, because if I'm not mistaken, I think she's been doing this over 7 years. So like I said, when I say she knows what she's talking about, so that's why I didn't have no problem doing my research on it and signing up for her course. So when I say she gave a lot of informative information, and if you are a small creator and you feel like you stuck in some areas, or you don't know what to do, or you're trying to grow, and she just doesn't, this will be the time to get some extra pointers or some tips from somebody like Just Jazz. Now, I will tell you this, she just doesn't talk about just YouTube now. She touches on the other platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. All right. And she lets you know the real when it comes to the other platforms. This platform might not pay, or this platform might be this, or she touches on each platform, You know what I'm saying? And I love the fact that when she's going over her, we getting into the course, she just jump right into it. She don't give you her backstory. She don't do none of that. She just jump right and get into it. But that's what I was doing for today. I was anxious and excited about signing up for this course with her. And like I said, I'm gonna pop it up for y'all so y'all can see. And if you want, I think you should sign up for her course. I'm really thinking about y'all signing up for her one-on-one or whatever, so she can take a look at your girl's content. Oh, and one more thing. This is the main thing that stuck out to me. The niche thing. Everybody always talking about, oh, you need to choose a niche. I like the fact that you just doing different things. I do gig work. I might do talking head videos. I might go out and do vlogs. You doing different things on your platform, not having just being stuck on one niche and being boxed in. It's better really not to have a niche. She did touch on that. So that's what really stuck out to me. You know what I'm saying? That no niche. She doesn't have a niche. She talks about everything. What's going on? Parenthood. Or whatever else she got on. She don't have no niche. So she was like, talk about everything. So obviously she know what she talking about and it works. So that's what we gonna do. Because like she said, when you stick to one thing, just doing one thing, it boxes you in. So I just wanted to come on here and give my 2 cents and my review on Miss Girly Just Jazz. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.